In today's video, I'll be showing you how to revert the system language back to default on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Begin by looking for the settings icon on your screen. It's in the form of a cogwheel. And then from here, scroll until you find the option General Management. If you can't understand the current system language, then look for this icon in your settings menu. Once you found it, tap on it. Then tap on the first option, which is always language. So select it. Then you should see a list of installed languages or added languages on your device. If you can't find the default language in this list, tap on this option, which is always add language, and then look for it here. Once you found it, select the region, and then you should see an option at the bottom on this pop-up, which is set as default, and it's always the same across board. So the last option, tap on it, and now once your phone has detected the change, you should see it being set as your system language. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.